Isang Saudi national ang nanapakumano ng isang Pilipina sa Pasay. Narito report ni Von Aquino.
Inireklamo ng pananakit ang Saudi national na ito matapos umanong sapakin ng isang babae sa isang kasino sa Pasay City. Kwento ng biktima, kumakain siya at nakaupo sa tapat ng isang slot machine habang katabi ang suspect na kinilalang si Majed Alasiri. Tumayo daw ito at umubo kaya pinagsabihan daw niyang takpan ang kanyang bibig.
When he was coughing, all his spit was coming out and it's coming out of, so I told him to cover his mouth. And then he said, "What?" Then I said, "Cover your mouth."
Dito na raw sila nagtalo hanggang sapakin umano siya ni Alasiri.
So he got mad, security came between us, and then he punched me. So that's what happened. And then he said, "Oh, I did not realize you're a girl." I said, "It doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy. What matters is you can punch anyone."
Tinamaan umano ang biktima sa kaliwang bahagi ng kanyang mukha. Pagdating sa presinto, sinubukan pa raw makipag-areglo ng kampo ng suspect pero tinanggihan ito ng biktima.
So ano na po ang plano niyo ngayon?
Put him to jail. That's the right thing. I'm upset because we let people in this country, diba? And they think they can pay their way in and out of here. And now they were asking me for settlement and I said no.
Tumanggi nang magbigay ng pahayag ang suspect.
It's stupid!
Maharap sa kasong physical injury si Alasiri na isa sa ilalim sa inquest proceedings ngayong araw. Von Aquino, GMA News.